Royal Cyber, a certified Salesforce Agentforce implementation partner, introduces Cyber Agent, an industry-specific solution tailored for the manufacturing sector. Powered by Salesforce Agentforce, Cyber Agent have access to real-time information from Salesforce connected systems, and with the help of Salesforce Data Cloud and Gen AI, it generates accurate, precise, and personalized information that customers can rely on. Cyber Agent transforms how manufacturers serve their direct customer, tackling everything from product recommendations, troubleshooting, product part upgrades, warranty claims, and finding compatible parts. It's your all-in-one solution for delivering seamless, world-class service to your customers. Introducing the Manufacturing Agent, an AI-powered solution built on Salesforce Agentforce, designed specifically for manufacturers, distributors, and service organizations. Today's customers expect fast answers, accurate recommendations, and seamless support. The Manufacturing Agent delivers all of this through a single, intelligent, conversational experience. When customers are looking for a product, they simply ask in natural language. The agent instantly recommends the most relevant products, complete with pricing, inventory availability, and product details, helping customers find what they need in seconds. The Manufacturing Agent goes beyond product search by proactively suggesting compatible parts, alternative products, bundles, and upgrades based on the customer's needs. These intelligent recommendations help simplify decision-making and improve the buying experience. For manufacturers, identifying replacement and compatible parts is often a challenge. The Manufacturing Agent can automatically identify cross-reference products and compatible alternatives using real product data, helping customers quickly locate the right part, even when the original is unavailable. The agent also streamlines service operations. When customers experience an issue, it can guide troubleshooting, create service cases, and automatically generate work orders for field service teams. This reduces manual effort, speeds up resolution times, and improves customer satisfaction. Built on Salesforce Agentforce, the Manufacturing Agent can connect with product catalogs, inventory systems, customer records, and service operations, creating a unified experience across the customer journey. From product discovery and parts recommendations to service automation and support, the Manufacturing Agent helps manufacturers deliver faster, smarter, and more connected customer experiences. Contact Royal Cyber to learn how the Manufacturing Agent can transform your manufacturing operations with AI-powered customer engagement. Royal Cyber Agent is revolutionizing how manufacturers serve their direct customers, deliver exceptional service, streamline operations, and drive growth with AI-powered precision. Take your manufacturing operations to the next level with Cyber Agent. Contact Royal Cyber today and experience the future of intelligent customer engagement.